Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a snack box and it's one that I've not had before. It is the Dandy Snack Club. I found them on Instagram and yeah, they sent me this box to review for you guys. I will leave all the links, and if I've got a discount code I will leave it here. I'm not sure if I have because we chatted on Instagram, but for some reason Instagram has deleted all messages for some reason, like previous to the day that you've done them. I don't know why, but it's happened to lots of people. So I've got no record of what we actually spoke about, so I will contact them, and if I've got a discount code I'll put it on the screen. If I haven't, I haven't. The boxes start at £9.90. there are lots of different ones. There's a variety snack box, a best with beer snack box, protein power snack box, vegan snack box, gluten-free snack box, nice and spicy, Dandy's favourites, and Chocky Delight. And there's subscription plans, one-off boxes. You can do it a monthly thing, you can cancel at any time, but I just want to get in and get to it. So you just, that is what the box looks like. My address is under there, I'm just hiding that from you. Let's just use my dinosaur, just cut the dinosaur tooth. So it's like this, and we're going to have a little look and a little crunchy munch of snacks. So the first thing I've got is noisy corn, roasty crunchy corn hot chicken wings. Ooh, that sounds good. Shake it to wake it. Noisy snacks. I love crunchy corn, it's one of my favourites. So roasted corn with spicy chicken wing flavour. So shake to wake the extra flavouring. Give it a shake. Oh, it smells good. It is just like normal crunchy corn. I used to eat just normal crunchy corn. I used to get it from Holland and Barrett when I was like 20, and everyone thought it was disgusting, like, because it smells quite bad. All my friends were just like, why are you eating that? And I was like, because it's yummy. And now everybody likes it. Mmm. Surprisingly chickeny. I wasn't actually expecting it to taste of chicken, but it does. I'm not getting any spice yet. But I'm not getting spice. Mmm. They are really yummy. Super Moorish. 100% recyclable packaging as well. Yes, I like them. Right. Next up, I've got hot strips of beef. Hot strips of beef, cleaver and keg. Hot and spicy little slivers of air-dried, grass-fed Aberdeen Angus, best enjoyed with a well-hopped IPA. If I can find the prices of anything, I'll put it on the screen or link it down below. So let's have a little look at these. It says tear here. Or, where have I put my diet? Oh crap, where have I put that? Was here. Here, don't want to lose a very sharp blade in a house with small children. Just dropped it down the back of the sofa. Ooh, oh, it looks good. So it's like jerky kind of, like biltong. Yummers. I'm going to the dentist in like an hour for an emergency appointment. They're going to be like, why do you have beef in your teeth? But it looks good. Mmm. That tastes like perfect roast beef. Again, no spice, but oh my god, that's delicious. I'm gonna have to get Ben. Ben. This is so good. So nice.
Yep.
Oh. Don't eat it all. How nice is that? Mmm. Tastes like proper roast beef, doesn't it? Mm. Ben has been known in the past to purchase biltong online.
By the kilo.
By the kilo, and spend a lot of money on it. So here's a bit of a connoisseur of biltong. But this, oh my god, it's amazing. Oh my god. This trumps that. So good. So yummy. Right, next, I've got a matcha Kinetic. Oh, I've already got the V for my teeth. I'll try a little tiny bit of this. Matcha is Kinetic Energy maybe. Pretty packaging. I think it's like a protein bar. Oh, it smells good. This is cocoa orange. And quite dense. Oh, it's nice and orangey. Mmm. That's yummy. My kids all like that. I don't know if I can let them have it. Can they have that or not? I don't know. I'll have to have a look online and see what it actually is. I don't want to give them anything if it's like super energy, going to send them insane. But it's nice. Oh, it's so weird. I've literally just filmed a degusta box and I had some of these in it. That's so weird, but a different flavour. These are plant pops. The ones I had before were like sweet, which weren't particularly nice, but these are Himalayan salt, which look nice. Oh my goodness. Why does nothing want to come out of its plastic prisons today? So they're like air popped lotus seeds. Mmm. Oh my god, this, if you get the chance to try these, have the salt ones over the peanut butter ones, because the peanut butter ones are crap. Mmm. These ones are so good. I'm not sharing them. These are vegan and gluten free. They're so good. I'm gonna get my mum to come in a minute and try them, because she's just tried the other ones with me. Mix up banana crisps, Hickory BBQ, and Banana Joe. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Hickory BBQ banana crisps. Nothing wants to be opened. Get out! Oh. Oh, they smell quite good, and they look. I wouldn't know they were banana. They literally just look. Are they actually banana? Is it banana? Banana. They look just like crisps to me. Do I like that? I might like that. I wasn't sure. Aftertaste is really nice. It's just the initial in your mouth, you're like, oh my god, it's a banana. And then you kind of get over it. But they're... yeah. No, I like them. I'm into that. Wasn't expecting to be. Over 1 banana per pack. Very interested in that. And then the last item is Chili Lime Peanuts by Mr. Filberts. Ooh, these are good. I don't like the lime straight away. I don't like lime and savoury things. It tastes like opal fruit. I don't like them at all. Not even a little bit. No. They literally just taste like opal fruits to me. Don't like that in the slightest. No, peanuts need to be salty and... oh, and then it's got aftertaste of like soap. No, I don't like that in the slightest. Everything else is good. These can jog on. So that was the Dandy Snack Club box. I'm really happy with it. I think it's an awesome little box. I will get Ben and the kids to come in. Oh, that little bit of peanuts went down the wrong hole. And try them and see what they think. I'd be interested to see if they do any other flavours in this, but the lime, I just don't, that's me not liking the lime in savoury food. I don't know why, it just doesn't sit right with me at all. But vegan, dairy free, gluten free, so if you like lime and things and nuts, you might like these. Yeah, who should I get to try stuff? I kind of want Ben to try these. I keep saying I wonder if Ben wants a snack. Hickory BBQ crisp. Hickory BBQ.
Yep.
They're made of banana. They're actually made of banana.
You're made of banana.
No, I'm not. I didn't like these. They're too limey for me. I think you'll probably like them. But they're really limey.
Yeah.
It tastes like opal fruits to me.
No, I agree. They're a bit of a weird. I'll give them later.
And then these were good.
Oh, you just chuck nuts everywhere.
Just chuck nuts everywhere. You'll like them. And spicy chicken corn nuts. You can have them if you want.
Hello.
Mika! I'm gonna get one of the kids to come in. Come here, baby, I need you to try something. You know what, and Granny Nana, you know what you just tried?
What?
That one of these crispy things, the other ones, the sweet ones. These ones are salty and they're yummy. Look. I think you'll like it because they're crunchy. Have a little bite. It's like popcorn.
Mmm.
They're good, aren't they?
Have you tried them?
Yeah, you have a little bite.
Oh, you did it.
Mum, come here. You like it? They're nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
We didn't like the other ones, did we? They were gross.
What percentage was it?
But these are good. I got another packet of these, but different. They're salty ones and they're yummy.
Where's that from?
A different snack box.
Oh.
They're much nicer.
Mm.
Yeah? And Mum, you try one of these?
What are they?
Crisps. They're not oniony before you ask, and they're not spicy.
Yeah. I think we did have
No, I don't like them. They're made of banana.
Don't like them.
They're made of banana. I think they're yummy. Do you want to try a banana crisp, Mika?
Oh, yes.
They're super yummy.
I like bananas.
Murray likes them. They're super yummy.
Yeah.
They're good, aren't
They
they?
don't taste like anything.
They don't taste like bananas, do they?
No.
You like them?
Mm-hmm.
What do you say to people? What do they got to do to Mummy's channel? Subscribe,
Go ahead.
thumbs up, yeah? Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye. See you later.